Hello! A study of student-lecturer familiarity was conducted in IPGK Gaya, whereby a survey was distributed to 50 random students to identify how well the relationship between the lecturers are via Google Forms. And here are the findings. For question number 1, which is I share my personal problems with my lecturers, the trend of the data shows that students tend to disagree more rather than agree. And for question number 2, majority of the students responded maybe for question 2, which is I agree with all my lecturers' opinion, but more students agree to the statement compared to disagreeing with it. For question number 3, 94% of the number of students agreed and 6% of the students responded maybe, which is more than half of the number of the students, whereas none disagreed. As for question number 4, how often do I communicate with my lecturers within a week? Overall, we can see that the relationship between the students and lecturers in IPGK Gaya are still in good condition despite half of the students are still communicating with the lecturers frequently. And for question number 5, majority of the students agreed to question number 5, only 2 students disagreed that they're always ready when the lecturers needed their help. For question number 6, 46 of the students gave positive feedback, which almost covers half the number of the students, comparatively to the ones that gave negative feedback, which covers only 20% of the number of the students. For question number 7, 42% of the number of the students responded maybe, which is a neutral answer. Therefore, this shows that most of the students may or may not give their lecturers souvenirs after going back from their holiday. And for the last question, which is I love all my lecturers, 41 out of 50 students answered yes, and that covers 82% of the data, which is more than half of the data. Only 9 of the students responded no, which covers about 18% of the data. In conclusion, majority of the students in IPGK Gaya love their lecturers. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.